If you're a photographer and a videographer and you want to make creative photos and videos, then you need to get yourself this Colbor CF5 Fog Machine. It's got LED light, awesome smoke, easy to use. Check this out. What's up guys, Miriam here from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom like how I'm trying to do, hit that like and subscribe and let's go. I've been wanting a fog machine for the longest of time. Before this model, you would have to get the big ones. There's big fog machines and I never really wanted to get those big ones and just lug that around into locations. I mean, come on, really? Are you gonna carry that big machine to your wedding gig or your short film gig? Maybe the short film gig is okay, but to like wedding gigs and, you know, family photos and engagement photos and things like that, there's no way. I don't even think it's even battery powered, so I never even bothered with it. But I've always loved that smoke look in certain situations. But now you could get one like this. It comes in a carrying case. As you can see inside, it comes with all these accessories. You got the fog machine, you got the liquid. And just to let you know, this liquid is water-based, so it's totally safe. I mean, I wouldn't recommend you just sniffing it all day, but it doesn't smell, so I like that. And they do sell refills on Amazon that's very cheap, so you could buy little bottles like this and make sure you never run out. It has that LED top where you could change the colors. Tip is held by a strong magnet, so you could just easily pull it out. And then you put your LED version up, and it has a fan built into it and an LED color that makes your smoke colorful. The red light means that it's on fan mode, so you could turn on the fan. Fan number speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and then off. So there's 3 speeds for the fans. When you push the M button again, it turns green. That means you're on color mode. So you could turn on the color, and then just by holding down one of the arrows, it'll smoothly go through all the colors so you can pick out your favorite color. There's red, there's orange, to green and blue. You can turn on the smoke. Red smoke. How cool is that? So first off, when you push the smoke machine, you could hold down the smoke to make the smoke come out, or you could double tap it and it'll continuously blow. So you could stop it anytime by double tapping it again. You could blow it this way. You could push this button down and make it into a pistol grip style and then blow it that way. There's the smoke button right here. And you push the smoke button, boom. Very comfortable to hold. And then you got menus on the bottom down here. You push the menu button on the middle. The first menu is the density, on how thick you want the smoke to be. So you can lessen the smoke or you can make the smoke to be as thick as possible. And then the next menu is the fan speed. How much do you want the fan to blow? Obviously, if you're in a bigger room, bigger area, you need more smoke to spread all over the place, then you want that fan to be strong so it just goes all over the place. But if you just are in a small controlled area, you could just make the fan a lot slower. Next menu. Down. So this menu down here is a cycle output menu. So you could turn this on or off. And when you do turn it on, you have different options. So when you go to the next menu, it will be continuous. How long do you want the smoke to be coming out, right? So you got 5 second, 15 second, and 20 second, and so on. So the smoke will be blowing for 20 seconds. The next menu is the output interval. So then do you pause for 15 seconds? Do you pause for 10 seconds? Do you pause for only 5 seconds? So you have a little bit of pause before the next smoke comes up. Then the next one, the cycle times. How many times do you want this to be happening? So you get to control 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 99. So now as you can see, my cycle is now on. It'll blow for 20 seconds and then it'll pause for 20 seconds and it'll do this 7 times. So that's what this means. So guys, I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And if you got any questions, please leave a comment below. Just say what's up, if anything. It'll help out with my algorithm. I've been trying so hard and it's so tough to make it. But hey, I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna keep going. I love what I'm doing. I'm gonna share everything that I know. That as I'm getting older, I've been shooting for 25 years. I'm gonna just pass down every knowledge that I can and then just have fun sharing cool accessories. And I'm gonna share fun accessories like this Colbor CF5 Fog Machine. Get it, it's fun, it's affordable. And I will see you next time.